At the end of a lane in village c.Belitsa, southeast Bulgaria, stands a lovely little house ready for renovation, with the garden enclosed by a massive barn on one side and a wood on the other. The house itself is 2-storey, the main accommodation on the upper floor. The conservatory looks out to the barn, and the neighbouring house behind has only one tiny window, so it's not overlooking. Into a central corridor, and the room on the left is bright and airy, overlooking the garden. Wooden ceilings, been painted a lovely blue. Just an old mud brick barn, the wall of which is left. The small back room, which is tiny, could be converted into the bathroom. And it has still got a brick floor. Opposite this is another bedroom. And yet another bedroom. Wooden ceilings again, and wooden floorboards. Still with the original fuse box, which needs updating. Below the house is the basement, on just one half of the house. Enter into a central corridor. Slight damp problems because the ground is higher outside. The front room is neat and tidy, with exposed ceiling beams. Though this does make the noise from above quite loud. Insulation and the ceiling can be added. The back room is used as the kitchen because it is cool, with a huge sink, wood-burning stove. Oh, and brick floor. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with the chicks. The barn opposite is massive. This is the internals. The roof could do with tweaking, but on the whole it's in very good condition. Maybe converting into extra accommodation.